everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be customizing just some earrings that I purchased, as you can see, from Shoppers World. You guys, this is a little trick that I do. Now, when I go to the store, I usually, to be honest, I do not look for earrings because, hey, I make earrings. But at the same time, I do look for earrings that I can customize and, you know, add my own touch to. And these wood earrings are so cute and so nice that I can most certainly customize this. So you guys, when you go out and you see earrings, be sure to look for anything that you might be able to put your own twist to. So couple different styles I'm going to do. For one, you guys know I love bling, so I'm definitely going to be blinging out a pair of these. But before I do all that, I'm just going to take some white paint and I'm going to I'm going to coat these bad boys. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. I did 2 coats of the white paint. I'm actually going to do 4 different types. I'm going to do one with Sharpie markers, one with acrylic paint, one with glitter, and then the other one with my hotfix rhinestones. So for the first one, I've just got some little random permanent markers and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Next one, I'm going to use some paints. These are my paint colors, and I'm going to be using the Q-tips. Alright, I'm going to be using these hotfix rhinestones. They are 3mm in size. I got my hotfix tool. And just to let you guys know, I did go around the earring edges. As you can see, they're like outlined and go with like a little paint leafing pen. Now that one is not my best one. That one is alright, but it's not my best one. I think I got this from a craft store. I can't think if it was Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but that's what I use when I can't find my main one. So let's go ahead and start gluing on these rhinestones. Alright you guys, so I'm back and this is what we got so far. What I need to do now is I'm going to coat each one with some diamond glaze. Okay, I'm going to coat each one with some diamond glaze. This is optional, but this will give you that shiny effect. I'm going to leave the rhinestone ones as is, though. I'm not going to do anything to those. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with the glaze part, and I end up doing 2 layers. Not sure, but you guys can see the shine and the gloss. Well, I only did 1 layer on the glitter because, I mean, they didn't really need it. But, yeah, look at that. Like, they're very shiny. And that's just a couple ways that you can customize, you know, earrings that you buy in the store, from this to these. So you guys let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. You guys, I gotta say, I love the blinky ones. Like them, these probably gonna be like my everyday little studs that I just put on. So you guys let me know which one was your favorite, which one you're gonna try. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.